The student investigated the effect of different concentrations of sugar solution on pieces of potato. The method is described here. Cut 5 pieces of potato. Record the starting mass of each piece of potato. Place each piece of potato in a different concentration of sugar solution. After 24 hours, remove the pieces of potato from the solutions. Record the final mass of each piece of potato. Calculate the change in mass of each piece of potato. Question number 5 is from the topic of osmosis. 5.1 is an Year 1 question. What is the independent variable? The independent variable is a variable when it changes, the other variable it also changes. The second variable depends on the first variable. In this experiment, we have been given 4 options. We have to tick one box. Change in the mass of piece of potato. Second is concentration of sugar solution. Length of the time the pieces of potato are in the solution. Starting mass of pieces of potato. Among these 4, the independent variable is the concentration of the sugar solution. If the sugar solution will change, means the concentration of the sugar solution will change, the mass of the potato piece will also change. So this is a dependent variable. Length of the time the pieces of potato are in the solution, that is a control variable. The starting mass of the pieces of potato is also a control variable. Table number 3 shows the results. The concentration of sugar solution in mole per dm cube is given 0.0, 0.1 mole, 0.2 molar, 0.3 molar, 0.4 molar, and 0.5 molar solution. The mass of potato at the start in grams, that is given in column number 2. Mass of potato after 24 hours in grams, that is in column number 3. The change in mass in grams is in column number 4. 5.2 is an AO2 and AO1 combination question from the topic of osmosis. Explain why the potato in 0.0 mole per dm cube sugar solution increased in mass. If you look here, there is no sugar concentration. Therefore, the concentration of water is higher outside the potato piece than inside the potato piece. Therefore, the water will move from outside to inside the potato piece due to osmosis process. And overall, there will be increase in the mass of potato piece. Let's see the model answer. If we consider here, this is my potato piece and outside is water with no sugar. Therefore, the water concentration is very high here. The water will move from the higher concentration, means from outside to inside the potato. As the result, the mass of potato piece will increase. So the model answer is water will move into the potato cylinder by osmosis process. As a result, the mass will increase. Because the concentration of water is higher outside the potato piece than inside the potato piece. 5.3 is an AO2 question. The student need to apply the knowledge, and this question is from the process of osmosis. Complete the figure number 5. Some of the results have been plotted for you. You should plot the graph from table number 3. Draw the line of best fit through all points. We need to plot the graph between the concentration and change in mass. Let's see the model answer. 1, 2 and 3 are already plotted. So we need to plot the values at 0, 0, which is 2.2, which is given here. At 0.1, it is 1.15, given in table number 3. And in 0.2, we need to plot 0.25. This is 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, and it is 0.25. Then we need to draw the line of best fit, which is a curve between all these points. Students, they usually make a mistake. They try to draw a straight line between first and the last point. 5.4 is an AO3 question. The mass of a piece of potato doesn't change when the concentration of solution inside the cells is equal to concentration of solution outside the cells. Doesn't change mean there is no change in mass. The mass change is 0. Determine the concentration of sugar solution inside the potato cells. Use the figure number 5. The student need to use the figure number 5 and see that when there is no change in mass. If we look here in our figure number 5, we can use the figure number 5 here. This is the place when there is no change in mass. And this is the place when the graph cuts the x-axis. This is 0.21, 0.22, 0.23, and this is the point 0.24. That is 0.24. So with the help of the figure, we can find that the answer is 0.24 mole per dm cube. Table number 3 is represented below. The concentration is given here and change in mass in gram is given here. If we read the question 5.5, 5.5 is an AO2 question. Calculate the percentage change in mass of potato in 0.2 mole per dm cube sugar solution. Here, use table number 3. Use the given equation. Percentage change in mass is equal to change in mass. Our mass of potato at the start multiplied by 100. If we go back in our table, for 0.2 mole per dm cube, I need to use this row. Let's see what is given. Your answer must be up to 3 significant figures. So given is change in mass is 0.25, which is already given here, 0.25. And the initial mass of the potato is 7.96 grams. To find is percentage change in mass. The student need to use the above equation, which is already mentioned. Put all the values here, we will get the answer. So the percentage change in mass, that is equal to 0.25. Our mass of the potato in the beginning, 7.96 multiplied by 100. It is approximately equal to, with the help of the calculator, we can find that is equal to 3.1407, 3.1407, 0352. But is already mentioned in the question, the student need to give the answer up to 3 significant figures. So the answer is 3.14. 3.14%.